Apply sea waves onto your eyes or define your cheekbones with peonies. Put your makeup in a chest or a sparkling sack. You will be the judge of today's makeup battle. Choose what you like more, forest or sea magic. Mermaid is sunbathing and enjoying the waves. It would be nice to refresh her makeup stock. The sea presents her with a wavy makeup palette. Cover the lid of a makeup palette with light clay. Shape sea waves. Let the clay dry completely. Cover the waves with acrylic paints. Decorate the swirls with white glitter. Paint the bottom part of the palette turquoise. This eyeshadow is a new wave of marine makeup. Only Mermaid can have a palette like this. Plus, she adores looking at her reflection. It doesn't matter whether it's in the sea or in a mirror. The Queen of Butterflies is a very honorable title, but you have to live up to it. And it means that it's time to do a soft, magical makeup look with a colorful pollen. Apply brown eyeshadow to your crease. Define the inner corner with gold shimmering eyeshadow. Apply bluish purple eyeshadow, blending it in the center of the lid. Define the lower lash line with blue and gold eyeshadow. We will borrow some lip gloss from Roses. Apply clear gloss to your lips. A finishing touch, butterfly wings. Butterflies are professionals when it comes to exotic makeup. Cut wings off a decorative butterfly. Attach the wings to false lashes. Butterfly tries on the wings. Only she can pull off such a soft and magical look. This creative makeup tempts you to fly away to a magic forest. What's this? Someone's calling Mermaid from the depth of the sea. Oh my goodness! A tiny dolphin is stuck between some cliffs. But if you take a closer look, this dolphin is not as simple as it seems. Cover a lipstick tube with light clay. Shape a dolphin head around the cap. Attach the upper fin. Close the tube. Cover the bottom part with light clay. Shape side fins. Leave the joining of the tube and the cap free. Let the clay dry and color it with acrylic paints. Sprinkle the dolphin's back and fins with glitter. Add details. Cover the metallic part of the tube with white glue and decorate it with glitter. This friendly dolphin will always take care of my lips. I guess the sea is full of makeup surprises. Who knows? Maybe next time I will get a jellyfish face mask. The Queen of Butterflies is looking over her kingdom. Her cute wings help her fly over the entire forest and manage to do everything she needs. Real butterflies have their wings made from fairy tale dreams and good wishes. Shape a wing frame from a thick wire. Wrap each wing with self-adhesive holographic film. Attach a string of sequins along the outline of the wings. Draw a pattern on the wings with a permanent marker and hot glue a thin cord of a suitable color to it. Fasten the base of the wings with a braided elastic. Make straps from webbing. Fasten them to the base. Decorate the fastening with tulle. Cover the pattern on the wings with clear glue and sprinkle it with glitter. You just can't sit still with these sunny wings. You have to fly, dance, and have fun with them. Rumor has it that Tinkerbell liked butterflies' wings so much that she ordered the same ones from the forest's finest elf fashion designers. Our butterfly is such a trendsetter. Mermaid is doing her marine makeup in her underwater room. But it's not easy. You have to choose only waterproof makeup, otherwise the entire makeup look will sink. Firstly, apply lavender eyeshadow to your crease. Add hot pink eyeshadow on top. Apply shimmering purple eyeshadow to the inner and outer corner. Define the center of the lid with blue concealer to make the look brighter. Apply turquoise eyeshadow on top of it. Replicate the colors on the lower lash line. Add a black winged liner and some mascara. The look is almost done. We just have to apply something to the lips. This little dolphin holds the sweetest lipstick. It will take care of Mermaid's lips and they won't get dry from salty water. It looks like this marine look is missing a finishing touch. No self-respecting mermaid would go to the open sea without scales. A plain net will help her out. Place the net onto your forehead and pat lavender eyeshadow into your skin. Apply an emerald shade on top. Do the same on your cheekbones. Here you go! Now Mermaid is ready to go even to Poseidon's ball. She will get a ton of compliments on her makeup. Butterfly has landed on the softest brush. Someone left a little present for her here. Wow! These are flowers, and their pollen is magical. You can fix your makeup with it. Paint an empty box and cut foam plastic to be of the same size as the bottom and put it inside the box. Cover it with paint of the same color. Spray 3 little artificial flowers with makeup primer and apply the remains of broken makeup onto them. Secure each layer with makeup primer. Apply 3 layers of eyeshadow to the flower. Do it with all the flowers. Apply highlighter to the artificial leaves and dip every bud into it. Stick colored flowers and leaves onto the foam plastic. Decorate the lid with butterflies. Attach them using double-sided tape. Butterfly is doing her makeup with creative flowers. Magic pollen makeup turns the queen back into a real butterfly. She needs to visit her friend and brag about her new makeup right now. Where does Mermaid store her new makeup? It's kept in her underwater treasure chest. The chest is as great as a sea makeup bag. This chest will store everything you need. The wavy palette, the dolphin lipstick, and even love letters and bottles. Cut box sides out of cardboard. Fasten a chest with paper tape. Bend a piece of cardboard lengthwise using a ruler. Attach it to the chest as a top. Mark the height of the top on cardboard. Cut out an arc and attach the pieces to the sides of the top. Cover the entire outside of the chest with paper tape. Apply white acrylic paint with a stiff brush. This will make the surface look like wood. Cut iron details out of foam rubber sheets with lilies at the ends. Hot glue them to the chest. Break the pointy parts off thumbtacks with pliers. Attach the caps to the foam rubber details and attach a foam rubber keyhole. Cover the pieces with white acrylic paint using a sponge and paint the entire box in blue. Cover the decorative elements with gold acrylic paint and coat the entire chest with gold acrylic paint using a stiff brush. Paint the keyhole black. Cover the inside of the chest with blue felt and hot glue Velcro to attach the top. And here comes Butterfly. Come to me, my darling! Butterfly shows her magical makeup bag to Mermaid. Her entire makeup collection is hidden in this sparkling sack. Cut a big circle out of thick fabric and 4 bigger circles out of tulle. Make a hole in the center of the first circle and pass a string of battery-powered lights through it. Hot glue it in a spiral. Sew 4 layers of tulle on top of it using thick thread. Make big stitches. Turn the fabric in such a way so that the block with batteries is inside, and pull the thread to make a bag. Tie it and cut off the excess. Thread beads and fasten the ends with knots. What a cute makeup bag! It must have been made by forest elves, and real fireflies live inside. The friends argue whose makeup bag is better, the underwater chest or magical sack. Both makeup bags are amazing, and both of them store some pretty good makeup. Well, Butterfly needs to fly back to her forest, but she will certainly come to visit her friend again. And everybody in the Sea Kingdom is waiting for Mermaid. She leaves nothing but a wet trace on the stone. Did you like our fairy tale makeup? Then write in the comments which character deserves to win this makeup challenge, Butterfly or Mermaid. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new beauty ideas on Troom Troom.